What's up guys, it's me again Jet and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, you'll be learning how to make your own planner stickers using Canva. These are simple stickers and very easy to create. By the end of this video, you'll be able to create beautiful stickers in no time at all. For those of you who have no idea what Canva is, well, it's a free tool online and very user-friendly, especially for beginners. It's got a lot of free elements to use as well, and you don't need a pro account for this sticker tutorial either. And don't worry, I will go slow and explain as much as I can on this tutorial so you can easily follow along. And also you can download this sticker for free and link is in the description. This is my way of thanking you for subscribing to my channel and watching all my other videos. Oh, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. Be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. If you appreciate that I make videos like this for free, please like and share this video on social media. It really helps the YouTube algorithm and gives me reasons to keep making these videos. Alright, let's get on with it. Alright, now get onto your Canva account and click Create a Design. And enter the custom size of your paper, or you can also use the letter size. It's 8.5 by 11 inches, which I am using in this tutorial. So go ahead and do that. I already have it in mind. And this is what we're going to create today, or try to create today. I'm going to teach you how to create these boxes and the images inside, plus these gradients with the circles and the hearts, and these ones. Also the ribbons and some other elements. Alright, so for these graphics and images, you can incorporate your photos or your other images that you have downloaded over the internet and just upload it in Canva. So to upload that one, just go to Uploads and then hit Upload an Image. Just hit on that one and then upload your graphics. So anyway, let's do this now. So first is we're going to create these rectangles over here. So let's do this here. So go to Elements and then Shapes and click on this square. Click and drag, and we need to resize this. Okay. You can create bigger ones or smaller ones, depends on the size of your planner. This one's I'm just going to show you how to create these simple ones, but if you want to create your own stickers, you have to know the size of your planner and how big your stickers should be. So for the color, what I did is I went to color palette of Canva. I will leave the link below. And for this one, I used this. This is how you use it. You just click this palette and then it will show up, and just copy this. For example, I want to change this one, and so I click on this and I go here and then I copy it, click that and go to new color, and then just hit Command V or Control V and it will change this to your color that you picked, and it will change your color here. So that's how you use this color palette. So now we have this rectangle. If you want to duplicate this one, the easiest way is to click this one and hold the Alt key and then drag it across or under or wherever, and just make sure when you're making a sticker, space in between stickers are wide enough so that you don't have any difficulties on cutting them later after printing. So maybe this would do. All right, and then you can also change the color for this one, maybe something like that. Okay, so now you have it. For this graphics, I just used my own graphics, the ones that I uploaded before. So I just go to my uploads, then I click on this one and drag it on my document, resize them. And there we go. Here we go. And this, I used the other graphic, just flipped it, resize it to the right size. There it is. It's the same with this other two. So now that you have the basic of this, we can go on to creating our gradient. And for this one, this is why I like using Canva's color palette, because it's got this gradient already. So it's easier for me and it's really easy to use it. So just like the other ones here, like this one, it's already got that gradient style. So yeah, let's go back. Now for that one, for this gradient sticker, what I did was copy this one. So I duplicated this and then just resize it to the size that I want. Right, let's make it bigger so you'll see better. Now, what I did is just copy this, duplicate all of this to how many times you want it. Okay, I want 4, so I have 4 there. And then I change the second rectangle to a different color. Oh wait, the first one should be this. Third one should be that. Fourth, this. Right, there you go. Now you have a gradient style sticker. For the circle, this one, just go to elements and then you can use the shapes again, or you can also look for circle. It's got this other types of circles. So I think I used this one. So just drag it and then resize the shape. So you can use any of Canva's free elements here. It's got a lot of elements and it's free, and just make sure that you're not clicking these ones with Pro because it's paid version. So just use the free ones. There's a lot. And just duplicate this one. Duplicate this. There you have it. There you go. So now just group this and hold Alt while still this one is highlighted, and then just drag it and then ungroup, because I want to change the circle into hearts or whatever shape that I want. So what I did here is search for hearts, and there you go. There's a lot, and I like this one. Just drag it to your document and then resize the element. And same what we did to the circle, just hold Alt or Command C, Control C, and then Command V, Control V for copying and pasting. Just duplicate this. And there you have it. Yeah, there you go. We're getting there. So for these ones, what I did is I went to elements again. And I didn't use the shapes this time, but I used these frames. The difference between the frames and shapes is that the frames are actually image or text holders. You can use any of the frames here. So let's try this one. I'll just show you how it's done. And if you have any background graphics or patterns, you can use it. So what you're gonna do is, for example, this is what I want. I just drag it inside that square. So now it's there. And same goes with this other one. So now let's go to this ribbon type. So what you can do with this one is go again to elements. You can hit shapes. I think I use this one. So I just drag it to my document and resize it. All right, there you go. And flip it. Right. You can also change the colors of this one, and if you notice, we have two colors here, the border or the stroke and the other one. So if you want to change the colors of that one, just click which one that you want to change. And for example, this here, I want to change it to this, and this one to a little bit lighter. Oops, lighter, and this one. There you go. Now for the text, just go to text, and you can use the text that's already here, or you can also use this ones and just change the font and the size that you want. For example, Monday, and highlight everything and then choose whatever font that you like. So let's do this. There you go. And then just move it there. And there you have it. And just group this one. And then duplicate it and then change the text. And these ones are the same with this ribbon. If you want to create this, just copy the ribbon of your days. And once you've copied it, flip it vertically and then choose an icon, just like what we did for this gradient stickers. And you will have this one. Now for this one, for the circles, all you have to do is go to elements again and then just choose the circle. Now go to elements again and then search for the icon that you want to put over this circle. So for example, phone. So just click on the phone that you like, the icon that you like. Just make sure that you're using the free ones again. Just drag it over here and change the color to maybe pink. There we go. All right. And same goes with the other ones here. Just copy this. And you can also change the color of the circle, by the way. So just copy this one and then change the icon or the graphics to whatever you like. All right. So let's do this one, the to-do list. What I did with the to-do list, maybe we can delete this. All right. Go to elements and shapes. I use these ones with the curved border. Just click there. Resize it to your liking. Change this color to maybe this. And then I duplicate this again. Make it smaller and then change it to lighter color. This one. There you go. And I just copied my text here and then just put whatever text you want, maybe goals. And also I just copied this circle here. And then drag it over here. Maybe we need to change this to like this one. All right. Now for the lines, for these lines, what I did is go to line, and then I used this. There you go. So you can see clearly. Alright, so once you have those, just group this and Alt and then drag. There you go. Now you have that. How's that for easy? For this one, it's the same with the last one that we did. It's just the boxes are smaller and you can just copy the lines from here over your new one. So, and for this one, just copy this, like this one, just copy that one. Or if you have any other graphics or if you want some photo in there, you can also do that. So I just copied that one, go to elements and use this square. And just make it a little bit smaller than this, resize it and change the color to that, or maybe this. And you can also change the opacity or the transparency of this. See how it changes? It's up to you. Just use your wild imagination and your creativity. All right. So now there you have it. So you can actually play around with this one. You can also use this circle. If you want to make a circle with numbers, you can do so. And then go to text and then maybe this, like one, then change. For example, this one, and change the size a little bit smaller and the font color, maybe this, and just drag it over to your circle. So you can create numbered stickers also. So there you have it. These ones are just duplicates of the days sticker, and this one also. And the other ones, let me show you. The other ones are just duplicates of this one, and I just changed the icons. And you can search for icons here. So for example, this one here, I just chose like email, and I have all these free envelope elements or icons here. For this one, I think this is time or clock. This would be X, or this would be check. and star. There you have it. How easy is that? Since you already know the basics of this, it's not that hard anymore to create the different designs. Just use these elements here. It's free and really easy to use. Make sure that you click the free ones. So now once you've done designing your stickers and you wanted to print it, you can download it here. Just click this one and then click download and which pages you wanted to print. And I would suggest you using this PDF print. It's really a high quality document, or you can also use the PDF standard. I wouldn't recommend JPEG because it's got a small size and sometimes it can be blurry. So it's either PNG or PDF print or PDF standard. So once you have that, for example, PDF print, and just hit download and it will download to your download folder or wherever you set up your download folder. Wasn't that easy? Now you can create stickers for personal use for your shop or as a freebie on your blog or give them to friends. And I have the download link in the description for this sticker. Now go grab it. If you want to see more of this kind of videos, then all I ask is for a like and subscribe to keep the channel growing. It really helps the YouTube algorithm and gives me reasons to keep making these videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Keep watching and keep learning. Bye!